Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we dive deep into the latest tech gear to help you make informed decisions. Today, we've got something special for you: the Enermax Liqmaxflo 360 liquid cooler. Now, Enermax claims this bad boy delivers top-tier cooling performance while keeping noise levels to a minimum. But does it live up to the hype?
Let's find out. First off, let's talk specs.
The Liqmaxflo 360 features a 38mm thick radiator, a redesigned pump, and even throws in a VRM fan for good measure. With compatibility for a range of Intel and AMD sockets, this cooler seems ready to tackle the toughest CPUs out there.
And at just $129, it's priced pretty competitively too. Opening up the box, you'll find everything you need for installation,
including the radiator and CPU block with the VRM fan, 3 120mm fans, mounting hardware for both AMD and Intel platforms, thermal paste, and even extra liquid coolant.
Enermax doesn't skimp on the goodies.
Installing the Liqmaxflo 360 is a breeze, thanks to the straightforward instructions provided. Just attach the fans to the radiator, secure the radiator to your case, assemble the motherboard backplate, apply thermal paste, and then secure the CPU block.
Easy peasy. Now, let's talk about what sets this cooler apart. First up, the redesigned pump with a large VRM fan.
Enermax claims it improves liquid pressure and flow, resulting in better cooling performance.
Plus, that VRM fan can significantly reduce temperatures around your CPU VRMs. And check out this radiator. It's a whopping 38mm thick, which should provide some serious cooling power. Plus, the large copper base ensures efficient thermal transfer, with pre-applied thermal paste for convenience. What impresses me is Enermax's attention to detail.
The Liqmaxflo 360 boasts full RAM compatibility, a user-accessible refill port, and even includes a hardware ARGB controller for customizable lighting effects. And let's not forget those high-performance, low-noise 120mm fans. They provide excellent cooling while keeping noise levels down to a minimum. So, after putting the Enermax Liqmaxflo 360 through its paces, I'm happy to say it lives up to the hype. With top-tier cooling performance, low noise levels, and a reasonable price tag, it's earned a spot on our list of recommended AIO coolers. If you're in the market for a new liquid cooler, this one's worth considering.
That's all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy cooking!